Okay, so today we're going to talk about swollen tonsils and tonsillitis, okay? If you have a child that has this or you yourself, I'm going to show you some natural things to do. So the question is, what are tonsils? It's basically lymphatic tissue, and you have two of them in the back of the throat. And the purpose of the tonsils are the first line of defense against microbes, okay? Both viral and bacterial. And you also have some additional lymphoid tissue further back and a little bit higher up at the level of the nose and the back of the throat. That's called the adenoids. So if it's viral, antibiotics will not help. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to take a teaspoon of high quality sea salt in a glass of water. Dissolve it up in some warm water. Gargle every half hour for the entire day. That's going to help. Number 2, colloidal silver. You should probably keep this on hand. It's a great broad spectrum natural antibiotic with no side effects. And number 3, use acupressure. Now, what does acupressure have to do with your tonsils, okay? For those skeptics out there, all I'm going to say is go ahead and try this and put your comments below because it will blow you away. There's a procedure that you're going to press in the back part of the neck. You can actually do it on someone or get a device and lay back yourself and hit those 2 points. It dramatically reduces the soreness and the swelling within minutes. I'm not going to explain why it works in this video, but just go ahead and do it and put your comments below. You're going to be amazed how it works even on skeptical people. Now, if you've had a tonsillectomy in the past when you were a kid, or you had a bad bout of tonsillitis or mono, do this technique as well and put your comments below. I think you're going to feel great relief. You're going to feel that your neck is going to be very, very loose and free, and you're going to feel very relaxed. Just try it out and put your comments down below. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.